Good. You can now put your time zone, whether morning, afternoon, evening, or night. My own people. I remain your own brother, Mazi Okechukwu Iwala, the regular Omondo. I am here this hour to remind you of the Dublin Igbo cultural display. Dublin Igbo cultural, Dublin Igbo culture, Dublin Igbo meme, Dublin Igbo Egunamu display coming up on Sunday, this Sunday, 6 days from today. Please, my brothers, wherever you are in Dublin, come out. If you are from Igbo, you are in Igbo, Biko Potano, Kanye, Kwadon, one known worker, any worker, Mazu Okechukwu. And Kanye Kwadope or Menala, Nasu or Then my brother from other tribes, please come out and see, enjoy Igbo culture. Come and see and enjoy Igbo culture. I trust you all. All my friends, wherever you are, the Dublin Island, you guys know I cherish you too much. Even if I don't, I still love you. You know me. I with more you, I don't have enemy. So both today, tomorrow, yesterday, we are all the same. I don't have any, which I know that none of you hate me. No, when do you go on island no problem? A weather. And when do you go on island no problem? And when do you say when you're from where you're going, you know, the animal, so you own your wood shit, and when do you go from I need a water. What would you cry? Igbo, Sunday is the D-Day. Please, thank you for a lot of many of you who have been calling, giving me the encouragement that day. Please, time is 5 p.m. 5 p.m. We are not going to be waiting for those coming, keeping them that are there. No, we are going to start 5 p.m. 5 p.m. If you are late, you are late. If you are early, you will be early. The Owu, because some people might think that no, Owu is here. You want to see Owu? Okay, wait. Let me show you other things. You know, a lot of music tracks are ready. Like, listen to this now. Now, after that one, there is another one that comes like this.
No more back and put at all.
Now, you now hear this one now.
One them way you, one them do what in your Kenya Abanelua. I have we mo, Omuna ya we mo, Nanola.
For those who will be doubting, this is Owo material. You will see Owo material. It's here. This time, Owo material is here.
Agaram little message shopping Camburula. We put on a road in nature boss Kovia. Or you got put up washing motu, map potas, Konya Maka. Amado Pambo, Jika, we don't want to them now for Omunda Masi Magica Mereme. Asimo Mereme.
Alamasa, Kachina Keji Kenila, Bojele Mono, Mbana, Dorere on.
Emma Fully Caribano,